Okay, it's June 12th, Saturday, 2014. You can see the water is overflowing from that ditch coming off the parking lot, coming to the south. The rain has stopped, but it's still flowing. Okay, comes along, goes around the garage, and unfortunately some of the water is going into the garage and under the foundation. It also has been running down the yard towards the drain field. Here's where it's coming around the garage. Again, adding to the drain field. And you can see which water it is because it has that brown tint, just like it did over there on the from the pit, the dirt. There it is. You can see here. Here's the source. Here's where it's breaching.